Hi, I'm Jamie from Harcourts Hills Living and welcome to the weekly market update. Now, I've had a few buyers and sellers ask me what's going on? What's going on with the market out there? Well, don't worry. August is traditionally a slower month. It's the last month of winter and people back off from the market because they're just over it. But spring is well here. And we're experiencing some good feelings. Last weekend, we had a 100% clearance rate under the hammer. What does this mean? Well, properties are still selling out there, so if you're looking to sell, by all means, give us a call. If you've got any more questions about it, feel free to call me anytime. Now, let's talk about this weekend. What we've got coming up is a few new opens properties out there, as well as some pre-market inspections. Details for the opens this weekend, there's 5 of them, 4 of them are going to auction, so auction is still the preferred method of sale. We do have 2 pre-market open homes, 14 Warren Avenue in Baulkham Hills with Melanie Munn. If you've got any questions, give her a call, her details up on screen again here. And I've got a 2-bedroom townhouse in an established complex, 3/2A Cross Street in Baulkham Hills. Beautiful little place, quiet little location, sure to be a great opportunity for someone out there that's looking to invest or maybe do a renovation, that sort of thing. And I'll be there from 10 to 10:30 on Saturday. Well, thanks very much for joining us today. I want to keep it short and sweet. I can barely talk this morning. I want to keep it short and sweet. Spring's a busy month. I hope to see you around at an open or an auction. I'm Jamie Benjamin. See ya.